Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing video on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Before we begin the lesson, I just want to say thank you if you have been watching my videos prior to this one, and if you are a subscriber, double thank you. And if you're not, you might as well just jump onto the bandwagon and have all the fun with all the others and subscribe. I really appreciate that. I would also like to hear some of the comments or some of your thoughts and suggestions on my YouTube video. So feel free to make a comment or even drop us an email with some of your pictures. I would love to see that, and I would even give you some good criticism and encouragement at the same time. Never anything negative coming from me, basically. All right, so what's today's lesson? Well, it's Skipper Mel. Well, her name isn't Skipper Mel. Her name is Mel. She's one of my FriendFish characters in my kids series. You've been seeing them from time to time. I've been introducing them and sharing some of the content in there. Anyways, let's begin our lesson today because I'm excited to show you how to do this one, and I bet you're waiting to learn it as well. All right, if you have your paper and pencil, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.